and welcome back to another video. We do have another makeup transformation for you. So how are you doing today? So I have gone ahead to cleanse the face. I just forgot to press record. Now I'm going to spray down the face to hydrate it, and I'm going in with the Dr. Rashell vitamin C serum to further hydrate the skin. Okay, now I'm going to make sure I blend that all over the entire face before and let it dry before I go into another step. For moisturizer, I'm using the Be Charm Ageless moisturizer. I do not know what's going on with my voice. Okay, give me a minute. Yes, so I'm just going to blend that in the entire face, letting it to sink into the skin, and I'm going to moisturize the lips as well. For primer, I'm using the Adventure primer, and I'm just going to apply that only on the T-zone because it is a mattifying primer. You guys, pardon me, my voice is something else. Okay, so I'm going in with the Voltage Illuminator from Blossom Makeup, and afterwards I'm going to spray down the face to just lock in all the skincare that we have done. For foundation, I use two foundations from Blossom, the HD foundation and the Nude Story foundation. And guys, makeup is evolving every single day, and I'm so happy about that. I'm happy to be in this industry that is evolving every day. So I use my brush to blend, and I'm using a fluffy brush. I'm not using a dense brush to blend. And look at the coverage. This will help me to just go in with minimal products but yet still get the coverage that I desire. Okay, so you can see the side that I've applied foundation on, and you can see the side that I haven't applied foundation on, and you can tell that there is such a difference with little amount. I had to zoom you guys in so that you can see what I'm talking about. So this is what it looks like with foundation on and without foundation. Okay, so I'm using my beauty sponge to just blend that in and make sure everything is seamless. For concealer, I use the Blossom concealer in 01. It is the lighter shade, and I put that in the inner corner, just a tiny bit on the forehead, bridge of the nose, the chin, and Cupid's bow. Next, I went in with the Adventure concealer in Karachi, and I put that on top of the outer corner, yes, of where I applied the first concealer. Next, I went in with a darker concealer from Blossom. This is in the shade 03. So I'm just going to let the concealer stay and go and apply blush just to gather more coverage. For blush, I use the CPD, yes. So I'm going to apply that on the high points of her face. That is where you apply blush, on the high point of your face, okay, above your cheekbone. For contour, you apply below the cheekbone. I'm using the same brush that I use for the foundation to blend out. Please, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you have questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I'll be there to respond, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see, or let me know what questions you have about this whole makeup thingy that you do not understand. So I've already gone ahead to start blending the concealer. While blending the concealer under your eyes, I always like to blend it upward. When you tap at a particular spot, then you move your hand up a bit, okay? Yes, so this is me just blending the concealer, making sure everything is well blended. I'm going to leave the inner corner of the eye to show you the powders that I used to set. I used the Avour, the Blossom, Yes, 2 Blossom powder. Oh my god, my voice. Yes, so I used the 2 Blossom powder in honey and banana and Avour in 001. So now I'm going to just set. I'm going in with light powder, light loose powder. I'm making sure I just build coverage. I'm not going in at once. I'm going to set other areas of the face that I highlighted. I'm going to make sure to set all of that. Yeah, I did nose contour before I set the entire face, so I'm just going to contour. I use that powder palette, and it's still the same powder palette that I would use to set the entire face. Okay, yes, I use the shade in 03 and 02. I don't know if they are numbers though. Yeah, but I'll just leave the palette. It's the Micolor palette that I always use. Always, it's a fave. So skip, I went in to do the eyebrow off camera. My camera was already screaming space. So I'm just applying the Flawless Ivy eyeshadow base, and for eyeshadow we're going in with the Blossom African Queen eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the transition shade first. I'm using an orange shade to transition. Make sure to blend in circular motions only. So next, I'm going in with a darker brown shade in the outer corner, and I'm going to blend that into the orange. Now I'm going in with a bit of black to line, and I'm going to blend that black into the brown shade. Okay, then we can have a gradient effect. Again, make sure your eyeshadow is well blended. I went in with the gold shimmer because I was trying to match her shirts. Okay, so I went in with this gold. It's all from the African Cream eyeshadow palette. Yes, then I did go into eyeliner, and I lined both the top and bottom parts. I did go in with a bit of black, as you can see, to just make the eyes pop more. For mascara, I'm using the Impact mascara. And sorry guys, I did lose footage because my camera was really screaming at me. So I went ahead to do other things like dust off the eyeshadow, do a nude lip, and applied lashes. But this is the finished look. I did go in with the highlighter palette to just highlight the entire place that needs some glow. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. Always a fave. It has been in my kit for some time now. Yes, but after this we just filmed the outro. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, please do make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.
You gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened.